We'll ignore all the red sliders for now.
Okay.
These control every individual light. So you're probably not going to use these on show night, but I'm going to show you what they do. They're going to be useful for programming if you want to create your own profile.
Yeah.
And also if you do want to do any fancy stuff on the night, you can use these. But you can see as I pull these up, just each light one at a time. And here we go, yeah. So we kind of broke them up here and labeled them. So these are all the spotlights, everything in this range. These are all these spots here. And then these are all the front RGBs there on stage.
Okay.
And then these, I guess we do need to look at this for a second, are all of the kind of backline RGBs.
Okay.
So
So it kind of goes from left to right in order of like
kind of
downstage, upstage.
Yeah, it aligns with our, so like the leftmost here is the leftmost there, which is sort of the inverse of what, so like the leftmost light is going to be the rightmost light on stage because it's across. But just in terms of where physically the lights are, that's where these are.
Great.
This is just a master slider, just a multiplier on top of everything else. So no matter what you have up here, this is just going to be sort of an up and down on everything. So that's how we control individual lights. I don't know how professional folks use it. I personally never touch those on show nights. I only use that for prepping stuff. Because what the red are pre-programmed combinations of lights.
Right.
So the default here is they have like a red, a green, purple, whatever. But I'll show you how to do this in a second. But there's different profiles in here, and we have our own saved. I'll show you how to make your own.
Perfect.
And so like what we did is we just have a full stage, a left, center, and a right. Because with improv we don't need crazy fancy stuff, right?
Yeah.
And then we have a couple colors just in case it's like, oh, it's a moonlit scene, it's an evil scene, whatever. We just picked a couple common colors.
Fun.
And then we have these. So what I would probably, like if you have pretty simple techniques, I'd recommend we pick a few, like they might be center spotlight, they might be full stage, they might be off to the side, and kind of pre-program those here, and then just ride those and nothing else. Now we don't need to worry about any of this other stuff.
The boards that I used before was kind of like we were able to set cues. We were able to and I wasn't sure how we do that in a shared space. So like I'm guessing that's where you're making a profile.
So yeah, we can do that right now. So what we'll do is I don't know if we should do new show because that might wipe all the stuff here. So I'm just gonna save as, and what would you like to call your?
You can just call us Feckers, Feckers.
Come on, it's a pain to type on this thing. FEC. Oh come on. Okay. So you won't need to do this. This will already exist now.
Great.
So FECKERS. All right. So now save. So now, what you would do, so this is going to tell you what's currently loaded.
Great.
So now that exists, we'll get it all set up, but the first thing, it'll probably be something, I don't know, like this is often loaded when I get here. So probably when you get here, there will be some random profile loaded. So to get to yours, you're going to click on Tools.
Okay.
And then it's pretty self-explanatory from there, but you click on, so Tools is the button, and then you can use the touch screen here. So then Load Show, and then just scroll down. It's like a touch screen, just scroll down until you find your name.
Great.
Click it, click Load.
Great.
And now everything's programmed in here, and let's double check that. Yeah, so these are here. And yours was a duplicate of ours, so you're starting with our thing, but we can.
Awesome.
The way that we pre-program cues is pretty simple. I'm just gonna do something. I'll do, I assume you probably don't need this particular combination.
Who knows?
We can always reset it if we need to. But let's say for whatever reason, like I wanted, the spotlights with these overhead lights are a little wild. I don't know if those will be up on show nights or not, but let's say we had those and then you wanted, like these on.
Sure.
Let me make sure I'm doing this correctly. I might forget, but I think all you need to do is you set these where you want them, and they can be at like whatever intensity.
Yeah.
And then you press and hold this button. or is it just, oh, there we go. And then release, and then things will start flashing, and I think all you do is just press, yeah, okay, so it was flashing, it was open. Just press down here where you want the cue to go. And there was already something saved there, so it's asking me if I want to overwrite it, and I would just say overwrite.
Okay.
And now if I, let me pull all these down. Now if I push this up, it's going to be that combination of stuff that I did. And then same thing if I want like this combination, I would press and hold, or I think I maybe just press it actually. And then I press this one, it's going to say, do I want to overwrite it? I'll say overwrite, pull these down, and then great, now it's that. And it's as simple as that. The only other, so a couple things to be aware of with this. You can see when I pull this up, every one of these squares is basically all of these things.
So it shows us what's activated.
So it shows you what's activated. So the thing that trips people up sometimes is these aren't really designed for you to be like pulling up multiple things at a time. It's sort of designed for you to like do one cue at a time.
The red ones.
The red ones.
The yellow ones are like mix and match.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now you'll notice that like I can with my cue. Oh, they changed the angle of some of these. Oh yeah, we can see the angle of those lights are all over the place. People come in and do stuff sometimes, so sometimes the lights just look weird.
Yeah.
But you can see I can pull these up, but it's because there's nothing assigned to these, so when I pull these up, right? But so basically what happens is when you pull up a slider, it overwrites like whatever.
What's happening.
Or maybe not overwrites, but overrides.
Yeah.
Whatever's happening if there is something assigned there.
Okay.
So sometimes people try to like,
Adjust
I'm doing the left one and I'm pulling it down, but it's like the full one's still up, things like that. So basically all of it, that's a long-winded way of saying I would only do like one slider. You can like fade between them, but whatever was most actively adjusted, it's going to take focus basically to whatever is assigned there. And then if some other slider has different things that don't compete with it, it will seem fine. But I would recommend, one at a time.
These over here, so if I want to set, so I can use all of these to set keys.
Yeah, you can use any of these with these little buttons.
Okay.
So all the red sliders. And then this is the master red slider. So this, if I'm never touching the yellow stuff on show night, I'll pretty much just come in, slide that up, and now I can use my red cues, but nothing's gonna happen here because this is down. So this is the master for all the yellows, this is the master for all the reds.